We're trying to figure out what W is. So we know that negative 2/3 W plus 5 is equal to 4. So this plus 5 is equal to 4. So the way we figure out what the part I have circled is we subtract 5 from each side. We bring down the negative 2/3 W equals -1 because 4 minus 5 is -1. Now this is the part that is a problem sometimes with fractions. It doesn't have to be because all we need to do is get from here to 1W. So going from here to here, the way we get to the 1, it's kind of like scaling. We have negative 2/3. If we multiply that by the reciprocal, which is -3/2, -3/2 times negative 2/3 is going to give us a 1W, but we don't have to write the 1 there. We could if we wanted to. So we need to multiply this side times -3/2 as well. So that's going to give us a +3/2. You can leave your answer like that, or you can write it as 1.5. Any form is fine as long as it's simplified. So 3/2 cannot be simplified anymore, so we can just leave it that way. When we look at letter H, same thing. We have this -7 here. We need to find out, and sometimes circling the variable is helpful so we can see this -7. The way we get rid of that is by adding 7. 1/2 x equals 25. So since we have half of x is 25, we need 1x. And the way we get 1x is we multiply times 2. So 2 times 1/2 is our 1x. 25 times 2 is 50. Or you can just write x equals 50. And there's your solution.